Hi, this is Dash at Bloom Where You're Planted. I'm here with the Prophet.
Hi!
And of course the Princess is filming. Thank you, Princess. So we have built an animal-powered lawnmower that we're excited to show you. So we put it right behind the front yard garden. Stand over here, buddy. So there's our front yard garden. It's looking good. Got our tomatoes coming, onions, kale, spinach, lettuce. It's so exciting that it's springtime. So this is our animal-powered lawnmower, and we just covered it with chicken wire. We used some grating that we found here at the property when we bought it. So it's just been kind of laying around. So we finally put it to good use. And we have a little door opening here in case we have to get in that way. But mainly, we're gonna hook that with these. And mainly, we're gonna try to get in through this. So we're gonna put that like that and clip it down for nighttime protection. And then take it up to get in and out. And the rest is just covered with chicken wire. And we used a church banner for shade. No, I didn't steal it. They let me have it. So this is kind of protecting the back. We rolled it up and tied it. But the idea is if we're expecting rain to put it down so it'd be more of a shelter for them. Hi there, I wanted to give you an update on our animal-powered lawnmower, which I spent some time on, and I'm a little frustrated because it's not really working out the way I had hoped. It's kind of like a chicken tractor, but I'll show you, it has a few drawbacks, a few flaws if you will. So I'm going to empty the water. It's predator safe, so that's a good thing, but it's a little bit hard to move, just a little bit hard. Down here. Well, I think the chicken wire gets caught on the bottom. So, as you can see, it's not the easiest thing to move. And I hate asking for help. I hate it. Especially from my teenage boys. So,
Because they complain.
yeah. So, there's that. And then, the other thing is, it didn't really work that well. If you can get a shot of the grass, this is the corner where it was. Fig tree is doing great. That's a good thing. But it didn't really control the grass that well. So definitely not like a mower, like the mower I'm used to using in the city.
See they are eating the grass though.
Yeah, they do nibble at it, but it just doesn't seem to control it the way I had expected. I expected them to scratch up the earth.
Well, maybe if there were more chickens.
Well, that's another problem. There are 3 chickens, and it seems like a lot for them. And when they get unhappy, they tell you about it. So they're making quite a bit of noise. And one of my neighbors, they were making so much noise that one of my neighbors came to check on them to see if they were okay. And they don't seem to be happy in this small space. And when your neighbor is coming to check on your chickens because they don't seem happy, then the next thing she's going to do is call the city. Not that my neighbor would ever, this particular neighbor would ever call the city, but I definitely don't need that attention with the city coming around asking me, what is this and why am I being cruel to animals? So anyway, it's not quite working. So we're going to try maybe a rabbit in it next and see if that works a little bit better. But right now, I think our chicks, we've got 12 chicks, and I think they have gotten old enough where they're feathered out and it's warm enough at night. This can be their home for a little while, and they can be on grass and scratching and enjoying themselves. So we're gonna try that with this. It's more like a cage than an animal-powered lawnmower, but we're gonna keep trying. Just wanted to give you an update.
They're suspicious.
That's all.